Hey guys, so I just received my package from the Coach retail store. I ordered a purse online and it just came, so I wanted to do an unboxing. I haven't seen like that much about it online, so yeah, so today we're gonna open it up together. So let's see it. I've already opened like the big box here, so there you go, big box, and then in there just have like that cute paper and then this box here. So let's take that out. Okay. And of course, like, you have this guessing this is the receipt and like a little note card. Thank you for shopping at Coach. And I wrote myself a little note in here. So, okay, now the main event. All right, let's go. Okay, let's open it together. Go off. All right, excited. Right, the paper. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so soft. It's so soft. Let's take it out. Okay, so this is the Soft Tabby in the denim. I'm just gonna be petting this bag. It's so soft. Oh my god. And it's like the perfect size. So what happened was I went into Coach looking at something else, and then I saw this denim line, and I just kept trying this bag on, and I was like, I know if I get something, this is gonna have to be the one. So here she is. And it comes with like the little key tag. And okay, let me take all this out. So I've got the dust bag here, and should be 3 straps. The crossbody, which is like a colored one here, fabric crossbody. It's like I think they call this ox blood. It's like a burgundy color. And then 2 leather straps. All right, so I've taken all of the like wrapping and stuff off. So here it is. This is the shorter strap that it comes with. You know, you can just, look how cute. Put it like on your shoulder like this. And it is squishy. I have on sweatpants, so it is squishy. So it's really comfortable on the arm, and it's so cute. So okay, I'll show you the other straps too. One sec. All right, so I love when a purse have like versatility. So it comes with that short strap, and then it comes with this longer leather crossbody strap, and then also the fabric crossbody strap. And so, you know, it's red like that oxblood color. It's got the silver hardware, and then these leather pieces, and it just feels so nice. Like, the quality is just so good. Okay, let me show you the straps on the bag. So this is the crossbody leather strap, and I haven't adjusted it or anything, but I probably would rather wear it a little bit higher. Okay, and then this is the crossbody strap in the fabric. This particular strap seems like it'd be really, really comfortable, especially if you're going somewhere like really casually. Let me see. So cute. I'm so excited. All right, so now back to showing you the bag. It's got a magnetic closure. Okay, the C is a magnetic clasp. It's fabric in the inside, and then that's what the inside looks like. You've got this little tag situation, the stamping, leather stamp situation there. And then in the front, you have a zip pocket. See that? It looks pretty deep. I don't think you can fit like a phone in there, but you can definitely fit like a card case or, I don't know, some lip gloss or some like little keys. Maybe if you want to keep them secure, your keys could fit in there. And then on the back, you have this zipper here. This, I'm pretty sure, could fit a phone, or at least most phones. I would have to test it to see, and I'm filming with my phone. I don't know. It might be a little bit too small. If you have a smaller type phone, it should be able to fit in here. But I'll have to test it with my current phone. But you can definitely fit, you know, keys or like an ID badge or something like that in there. And so yeah, that's it. If y'all have like any questions or anything about it, because like I said, I didn't see very much on the black denim collection. I did see a lot on the blue denim collection, and I think this is a little bit newer, so I don't know if just like a lot of people haven't heard about it, or if they're gravitating a little bit more towards like colors, which is understandable for like spring and summer. But I wear black bags all the time, and I really wanted something that I could wear most of the time. I like the black because it doesn't get dirty a lot, or it's, you know, less likely to show dirt on it. And I don't know, that's just kind of what I gravitate towards. Not that I don't like color, but currently, actually I don't think I have any colored bags. So I do kind of need to start adding some color into my handbags, but I do very much love this. And y'all, it is so soft. Even if you don't want to purchase this bag, just go into the store and feel it. It's so soft and squishy. I love it. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and watching me unbox this beautiful Coach handbag. I'll see you in another video.